Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to quickly change the date and time on Skmei 1251 digital watch. The first step is to press the mode button a few times until you see the day of the week in English on the screen. Press and hold the reset button for 2 seconds until the second starts blinking. Press one time on the top right button, the start button, if you want to reset the seconds to 0. Press on the mode button one time and now press on the top right button, the start button, to set the hour of your local time. Press the mode button one time and again use the start button to set the minutes of your local time. Press on the mode button one time and now you can set the year by pressing the start button. Press on the mode button again and now press on the start button to set the month. Press on the mode button again and now press on the start button, the top right button, to set the date. The day of the week will be calculated automatically by the watch. Press on the mode button one more time and press on the reset button to exit the setting. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.